A woman who was kidnapped at gunpoint says she's relieved her attacker is off the streets.
Kyle Murphy was sentenced today to 30 years in prison, followed by 5 years of parole. He kidnapped a 19-year-old woman last June in Falcon. The woman escaped and faced Murphy in court today. She shared her survival story exclusively with KRDO News Channel 13's Rana Novini.
By all accounts, Charlene Matisse is a survivor.
I was never a victim from this.
Last summer, she was riding her bicycle on the street near Falcon when an SUV pulled up behind her. Kyle Murphy got out of the car, punched her in the face, then dragged her to his car at gunpoint. But Charlene managed to escape.
She was strong enough to get away, and she had the forethought to notice her surroundings, jump out of that moving vehicle, and get to safety. Very glad that it was me, because if it was somebody that was like a teenager or even just a young woman that didn't know what to do and didn't know how to react and didn't have that fight or flight instinct, then it might have gone a lot worse for them.
It's been nearly a year since the attack, and Charlene says she's ready to put it all behind her. She says she lost a part of herself that day. She now suffers from anxiety attacks, and sometimes at night she sleeps with knives under her pillow just to give herself some sense of safety. Walking into court to face her attacker for the last time, Charlene says she forgives him.
I don't necessarily forgive him for his sake, though. I forgive him for my sake.
Her mission now, sharing her story of survival in the hopes it could save someone else.
Fight for your life. In my opinion, I would rather die trying than to be hurt that way.
In El Paso County, Rana Novini, KRDO News Channel 13.
Thanks, Rana. Murphy, by the way, will also serve time for 2 indecent exposure cases. They happened in the months before he attacked Matisse.